Welcome back. So this is Colin and Ardell. You remember the video that we did in 2023 hearing a weird sound?
Yeah. And
You know how I got I don't know, a couple views, a lot of views?
this time Colin, this guy. Yeah.
Yeah, this time Colin, you know him, I think. I showed you on my old phone that broke. Sorry guys. I dropped it on the sidewalk. So
You never told me that you dropped it on the sidewalk.
yeah, I did. So guys, you remember the video that I made in 2023 where hearing a weird sound?
Well, we heard a bubble pop. Colin was not here.
Yeah, that guy wasn't here. So that was actually me. So guys, here's the thing. I was only an 8-year-old. She was a 7-year-old. No, a
Six.
Yeah, you were a 6-year-old. And we were doing it, and that was actually me the whole time. We just wanted views. I don't care if you unsubscribe. We're almost gonna hit 500. At 500, I swear we will prank my cousin Elijah.
Yeah, we would show him that video, and he would say, "What?"
Yeah, and you can be all confused and wanna post it for views.
Yeah.
Well, I don't mean we don't want YouTube just for views and money. We want YouTube because we think it's a cool thing to have.
Guys. So when we get our first YouTube prank, is it a prank? I forgot.
It's called a plague.
Yeah. Our first YouTube prank, we would prank my brother Elijah.
Wait,
so
guys,
bad.
Guys, comment in the comment. How much? No, comment.
What should we do to Elijah?
No, that's not what I was gonna say. Comment what I forget, but
What prank?
no. How many subscribers do you need to have to get a plague? So guys, see you later. This was just gonna be I don't know, a 2-minute, 14-second thing. So I'll see you guys later. Now bye. Have a great day. I just posted a short. You better watch it. So have a great summer and go to the pool, play stuff. I don't care.
And if your Jacob's girlfriend watched this video,
Yeah, she's Esme.
yeah, her name's Esme. What?
Yeah, her name is Esme.
Esme, and she's on best 5. If that's you, make sure to kiss Jacob.
Yeah. So see you guys later.
And Jacob has a big crush on you. And bye.
Oh, that worldly girlfriend, boyfriend. So you don't have to say that. So guys, I'll see you later. Have a great time. Sorry for that. I'll ask my editor to cut that out. So see you guys later. Have a great time. Bye.